Waiting weakens you. If you're waiting to feel motivated before you act, you're already losing. The longer you wait for motivation, the more your brain learns that action only happens when you feel like it. This isn't about being extreme. It's about breaking a dangerous pattern. Motivation is overrated. You think you need it. You think you're missing it. You think that's why you're stuck. It's not. Motivation is emotional fuel, and emotion fluctuates. If your actions depend on emotional spikes, your discipline will collapse between them. And that's exactly what's happening. You wait until you feel ready. You feel inspired. You feel clear. You feel confident. And when that feeling isn't there, you pause, you delay. You tell yourself, I'll start when I'm in the right mindset. That mindset rarely comes because action creates motivation, not the other way around mid-video spike. If you only act when you feel strong, you train yourself to be weak when you don't. That's the real damage. Waiting reinforces passivity. Your brain learns no emotion equals no action. So discomfort wins, resistance wins, delay wins. Meanwhile, identity shifts quietly. You become someone who reacts to feelings instead of someone who leads them. And here's what hurts. You've had days where you didn't feel like doing something, but you did it anyway. And afterward, you felt stronger, clearer, more stable. That wasn't motivation. That was integrity. Motivation feels exciting. Discipline feels quiet. If you want to rebuild strength, you act before emotion agrees. Start small, not dramatic, not extreme. One action when you don't feel like it. That's it. That's the reset. Waiting weakens you. Acting strengthens you. That is how the inner ledger stays balanced.